skies and worlds where our dreams come alive.
On this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to set up your Kudos board. Specifically, this is a Trimesh board that I will be giving out to everyone so they can have a Trimesh Kudos board for their world. But the first thing we need to do when we create our commerce item is we need a thumbnail. So let's just take a picture of this real fast, like that. And then we can go up into build mode. We can go to our system tab, and we're going to go to commerce. We're going to hit create item, and we're going to give it a name. We're just going to call this Kudo 100. Description, support. You can change the description whatever you want. 100 will be the price. We're going to select our thumbnail. We're going to change the item type to consumable, and auto use needs to be turned on. Now we can hit create. Now we got our commerce made. We need a leaderboard. We can come over here and we can call this Kudos, and we can create that. Then we need to go to variable groups. If you don't already have a variable group for your world, you need to create one. So for this one, it is asking for a name. I'm just going to call it test. Usually I just call it the name of my world. You want to make sure to hit add to this world, turn that on, and create. So it adds it to the world. So now that you see create variable, you can click that, and we need a variable for the Kudos. So we're just going to call this Kudos and save that. So now after we got all our stuff made, now we can go to the script and start connecting everything. So the first one, we're just going to click it, Kudos, grab our leaderboard, and we're just going to go through all these and connect them. So those are done. Now come down here. Okay, now we got everything connected in the script. In my script, it's just these 3 and these 4 down here. And then you can exit out of that. So now you can make sure that your leaderboard is connected to the variable, Kudos. And then your IWP, you can pull up the, which is this gizmo right here. Pull up the properties of it. And where it says in-world item right here, we're going to hit select. And we're going to choose the one we just made. And now we can test purchase it. Let's see. Test purchase, okay. There we go. And there I am on the leaderboard. So now, if you want to make more versions of this and have more than one button, all we have to do is come down here, grab this button, duplicate it, and then we can go back to commerce, and we're going to create another one. So we'll just call this Kudo 500, support, we'll label this as 500, choose our thumbnail, consumable, auto use on, create. Now on this one, we're going to pull up the properties of that gizmo, and we're going to change the 100 to the 500 one. Now down here on my script, I have a value changer. So what we're going to do is change that to match the amount of credits we're spending. And what that does is that's what the points that gets on the leaderboard. So now since I changed this to 500, it's going to add 500 when I purchase this. So okay. We wait. And there we go. Thank you for your support. And it should update, and there it goes. Now I'm at 600. And that covers how to create the Kudos board and set it up with the model that's going to be provided to you. This model will be found possibly in the commerce folder. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to upload in there, but that's where I'm going to put it. Or just, if you don't see it there, you can just ask me for it. But thank you for watching.
In the world of horizons where creation shine bright, evil's worse the name, he's a beacon of light.